Hello, everyone. We have lightning round starting now. The first speaker is Parvez.
Good evening, everyone. And I'm Parvez, and I'm going to talk about the next 5 minutes about EPAM and who we are and what's the technology landscape of EPAM. So who we are? So we are a group of engineers, architects, and designers who enjoy solving business problems through technologies, and we strive for excellence to enable our customer to gain the competitive advantage in the ever-changing marketplace. How do we achieve it? We achieve this by our passion of learning, design thinking, and best engineering practices. Our nimbleness and commitment to strong engineering culture has enabled us to quickly adapt and be ahead of the curve. Okay, so this is about this slide is a little bit about our history. So how did we started? We started in 1993 as a product engineering organization, and then we slowly moved. We focused mainly in between 2012 to 2015 on product development, and then when we saw that the whole industry landscape is changing, and now the industry is no more product driven, but it's becoming more consumer driven. So we started focusing on and evolved ourselves as a platform engineering and orchestration organization. Some of the key verticals and that we work with. So if you see, we work with almost all the verticals, and then we also have a partnership with most of the digitally born organizations. Some of the product that we use and in everyday life, we were behind it, developing many of the product that we love to use in our everyday life. Let's talk a little bit about our culture and what EPAM stands for. What are the values we have? So, first thing is that we have value for the individual. So we perceive that our people are actually the source of our success. We don't believe in micromanagement, and we judge by results. And we provide limitless opportunities for our smart, self-motivated, proactive individuals within the organization so that they can grow. We encourage and motivate people to grow. We have a lot of internal tools that helps our people to grow in their career path. And we are, as an organization, we are tolerate mistakes, and we believe that from every mistake there is something that we can learn. We act as a team, right? We treat each other with respect, and we communicate very openly. We have a very transparent culture. We don't follow in hierarchy. We encourage the best ideas to come from anywhere within the organizations, and we collaborate seamlessly with each other. And also, we value our diversity that we have in our workforce. Strive for excellence is another key EPAM value, that we strive to achieve high standard of excellence. We believe in continuous learning, development, innovation, and improve. And then we take pride in our engineering accomplishments. We, as an organization, we have a very high focus on a customer. We try to build long-term customer relationship by delivering quality and superior value. We focus to understand what are our customer main business needs and drivers. How we can help them in achieving their business objectives. And we are responsible, and straightforward and direct. And we are very honest in dealing with our customer. Last but not the least, we act with integrity. We act legally, honestly, and ethically, and we always take responsibility for our actions. Now, what are the technology areas that EPAM works on? So I have divided into 4 main technology areas. Right, one of them is the core engineering, where we work on product development, on engineering excellence, and on core technologies like Java, Python, Golang. Right. Then we have another area within EPAM, which we call as advanced technology, where we work on next gen architecture, agility. How do we develop agility in the product, and then on some evolving technology trends within the industry like IoT, and we have our garage where we do a lot of R&D activities. The third
And
main area within EPAM is the intelligent enterprise, where we work on building enterprise applications for our clients. We do a lot of work on data, take the raw data and produce some analytics from it. And then obviously we work on application and cloud management.
hey,
The
Parvez,
fourth
we are out of
major
time.
technical area within EPAM is digital engagement, where we work on strategy and design and work on various e-commerce applications and on mobility applications.